Hello everyone, my name is Alvin Alifur Rahman and I am student at BSI University. My student identification number is 1525003. Part 1. Today I would like to deliver a speech about smoking in the campus environment. Ladies and gentlemen, fellow students and respected listeners, today I want to talk about something that affects all of us whether we realize it or not. When it comes to smoking on campus, some of you might think, what's the big deal is my choice. But let me explain why this is such an important issue. Smoking is not just a personal choice. If everyone around the smoker, the smoke doesn't stay with the smoker. It's free to order, including non-smoker. Those who have asthma or other health problems can be seriously affected, and many people find smell of cigarette smoke unpleasant and disturbing in a shared space. Allowing smoking on campus not only harms individuals but also damages our community and the image we want to build as healthy and responsible environment. Let's work together in create a cleaner, healthier, and more comfortable campus for everyone. The next part 2. Simple reason. Did you know to form sentence in English, we also need a rule like the rules in Indonesian. The form of verb change that indicate the time when something happened is called tense. What tense? We'll learn in this chapter. Come on, listen carefully. Formulas. Plus subject plus very sick as or is plus object. Read subject plus done or dones plus very sick plus object. Very what? Do or does. The subject plus very sick plus object. Summary. Use a simple present tense for habit routines and fact and mean as or mean is for he, she, it. Use do or does for question and negative. By studying this material, we will be able to understand the function, formula, and example of the use of simple present tense in sentence. Table of content. 1. What is the simple present tense? 2. Type of sentence, the meaning of verb sentence and nominal sentence. 3. Simple present tense formula. 4. Example of sentence. 5. Function of simple present tense. 6. Present simple spelling rules. 7. Effort of frequency. 8. Why question. 9. Example question. You can describe the topic of the section here. Next. 1. What is simple present tense? Simple present tense is a tense for user to abbreviate habit or event that occur at the present time. Example sentence. I go to every day. Saya pergi ke sekolah setiap hari. Then sun rise in the east. Matahari terbit di timur. Next. 2. Type of sentence. There are two types. 1. Verbal sentence. A verbal sentence is a sentence that contains a verb, not a helping verb, as a predicate. 2. Nominal sentence. A nominal sentence is a sentence whose predicate is filed with an auxiliary verb. We are more familiar with it as to be such as is, are. Next 3. Positive sentence formula in simple present tense. Positive sentence plus type subject predicate complement. Verbal. I or you or they or we for one. Object. He or she or it for one plus is or is. Object. Next nominal. I to be armed, noun or adjective. You or they or we to be are noun or adjective. He or she or it to be is noun or adjective. Next, negative sentence formula in simple present tense. Negative sentence mean type subject predicate complement. Verbal. I or you or they or we don't plus verb 1 object. He or she it don't plus verb object. He or she or it does perform one object. Next nominal. I to be armed plus nouns or adjective. You the, or they or we to be are not noun or adjective. He or she or it to be is plus not nouns or adjective. Next, interrogative sentence formula in simple present tense. Interrogative sentence and question mark. Type formula. Verbal. Do plus I or you or they or we plus verb 1 plus object plus question mark. Does plus he or she or it plus verb 1 plus object plus question mark. Nominal. I am plus I plus noun or adjective or plus you or they or we plus noun or adjective plus question mark is plus he or she or it plus noun or adjective plus question mark. Next for example of sentence. 1. You, they, we. I live in Madrid. I don't like rock music. Do you need a camera? I am just a girl. Are you a doctor? Next, he, she, it. He lives in Amsterdam. She does work on weekends. Don't we need a new way? Venus is a terrestrial planet. Mom is not a chef. The next 5 function of simple present tense. To convince face of something that will never change and rotates in every 2 4 holiday habit or routine. Convey daily habit or routine. We study from Monday to Friday. Feeling. Convey what we will feel or hear. I feel like we are so blessed. Mental. Everything that concerns our mental or physiological state Always forget her beret. Sensei. Menyampaikan segala yang ditangkap oleh panca indera. The baby looks happy. 6. 7. Present simple feeling words. Most first text mean as in the third person singular. Verb ending s or is example. Mean as a, mean is, was, is. Mean as he, how, is, what, is. Mean is, mean age, misses. Mean this, mean is buzzer. Mean age, fixes. Mean o, mean s, or is, videos, potatoes. A consonants plus w is studies. 7. A verb of frequency. We use a verb of frequency to show how often we do something. Always, selalu. Frekuensi 100%. Contoh, I'll always wake up at 5:00 am. Arti, saya selalu bangun jam 5 pagi. Usually, biasanya. Frekuensi plus 19%. Contoh, they usually arrive on time. Arti, mereka biasanya datang tepat waktu. Often, sering. Frekuensi 7%. Contoh, Janet often walk her dog in the afternoon. Arti, Janet sering mengajak anjingnya jalan sore. Next, 8. Way question. What to ask about things. What do apply? Who to ask about a person or people. Who is that boy? Where to ask about place. Where am I? Where do they live? How to ask about manner. How often you go to Bali in a year? Why? To ask about a reason. Why do you love me? Why is he love him? When? To ask when something happened. When does he go to school? Why are you late? The next example question 1. Janet never blah 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 wear jeans. A. Wear. B. Wear. C. Wearing. D. Wore. Next 1. Answer B. Janet. C. In the simple present for subject he, she, and it, the verb is, and with s or is at the end. Some the most correct answer is where. Next 2. Jenny and Maggie often blah 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 buy sandwich at that restaurant. A. Buy. B. Buys. C. Buying. D. Buyer. Next 2. Answer A. Dennis and Maggie, they, in the simple present I, you, they, and we are followed by verb I. So the most correct answer is Rabi. That's all about simple present tense from me. Thank you. See you.